Hi, welcome to another paper planes video. In this video, we'll build the Condor. This one, Condor is a name of a vulture, and it flies high up in the sky and glides really well. So this one is named after that, after the vulture called Condor. It's a kind of a simple fold. So let's get started with this. So we have a little bit of several folds on the corner, so it would be better if we use a thinner paper to build this one. Okay, first let's make a fold along the width. Open it up and fold it along the width. This time fold it along the length. Open it up. Now pick up the top edge and then make a fold. Make sure this edge touches the center crease that we created. Also make sure that these edges or corners are aligned. That will give us a square fold. Now pick up this corner and make sure this edge touches the center crease, or aligns with the center crease. Now repeat it on the other side. Since we already have the crease internally, you can just pick up this corner and fold it along the crease that we already have. Now pick up this corner and fold it so that this edge forms a parallel line along the central crease. So you should not touch the central crease, but leave like a centimeter or so and then make a fold. Now repeat it on the other side. Pick up this corner, fold it so that this edge forms a parallel line to the central crease. Leave the same amount of space as you left on the other side. Now fold it in half. Pick up this top layer and starting from the point where the angled edge starts, make the fold. And make the fold so that it's a rectangular strip at the bottom. While you're at it, also make the winglet. So pick up a small, like a centimeter or so, and then fold it so that it is inward. Now flip the plane and make the corresponding fold on the other side. Try to align the fold with the other wing that we have on the opposite side. Now make the winglet on the other side as well. Try to make it as symmetrical to the other one as possible. And there you have it. Open up the plane, make sure you have this winglets perpendicular to this plane, and then a little bit of positive dihedral, basically a small angle, would make this fly really well. So there you go. That's the glider. Try it out and have fun. I'll meet you in a different build video. Thanks for watching.